Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Ayat Ali Khan and my other group member Samir Parvez and Osama Halim. They are also over there. One is making video and one is standing over here, Osama Halim. So this is our, first of all, this is our whole circuit. This is the battery. Battery is connected to the solar panel, and as right now there is no sun, so our battery is full right now. Because of this solar panel, we have charged our battery with this solar panel. It is connected to the battery, and that battery is now connected to this whole circuit. So except that this is our sensor which help us, as we have put it in our glass, it help us to show that our tank is full. It show us that our tank is full. The next sensor which we have is right over here. This is our soil moisture sensor. It will detect whether there is a moisture in the soil or not. It will show us this. Except that we have a motor over here. This is our motor. What this motor will do, it will suck water from this tank and will provide water to our crops. Right now I have just put it over here. This is the motor. It's over here. What this motor do? This motor suck water from this tank and will give water to our crops over there. So that's, and except that we have a shelter over there. What this shelter is used as a purpose of when there is a rain. We have a rain sensor over here. We have a rain sensor right over here, and this is our shelter. When there is a rain, what will happen? This rain sensor will detect that there is a rain, and the shelter will automatically cover the crops. Let me show you LCD over here. We have an LCD over here. You can see in LCD that zoom it please. You can see in LCD that there is no rain, soil is dry, motor is off, tank is empty. But when I put, as I have said, that this is my put this over here, it says over there that the tank is full. Now the tank is, as you can see here, tank is full. Now as this is our tank sensor, it will tell us that the tank is full. Now look over here, is our soil moisture sensor is now right now wet, and here the water is providing to the crops. So the water is providing to the crops. So when our soil moisture sensor become wet, when it become wet, उस प्रकार का सिस्टम उधर नहीं होगा. So when, as you can see here, this is our soil moisture sensor, and soil moisture sensor is right now it's dry. So when it become wet, as you can see here, when it become wet, now our system, now our motor becomes stopped. So that's how that water will be provided to the crops. When the soil is wet and when the soil is dry, what will happen? Pump will pump the water from the tank and will provide to the soil until and unless the soil become wet. So that's how our this system will work. Now as you can see here, our soil is wet. As you can see here, our soil is wet, and now I will put some drops of water to our rain sensor, like over here. Put some water to the rain sensor. Wet our soil moisture sensor, soil rain sensor. So as you can see, our system become frost. So that's how water will be stored in our shelter. I will dry our rain sensor. Now you can see that the shelter is coming over here and it's become closed. So that's what our system is, that when there is a rain, the shelter will automatically cover and the water will be stored. And when the rain and when there is no rain, the shelter will be open. So that's how our system will work. भाई system